How's it going, you guys? It's your boy Knockdown T-Dog here, and this is my second night of being homeless. I'm literally living in my car on the side of a road in Arizona. What do I think about it? Let's see. It sucks. I absolutely hate it, but I did this to myself. Completely my issue. I'm going to take responsibility for it. And I wish it didn't happen. But, sorry, I had to turn off a light here. Hold on. Let me, yeah, I'm in my car. So, I gotta roll up a few windows here. But, as you can hear, that's my car. So, yeah, being homeless fucking sucks. I'll admit that. So, yeah, being homeless, sleeping in my car until I can get on my feet. And if you guys ever want to try this, don't, and I recommend trying this out maybe once in your life, but make sure you have something that you can go to and not be out on the street on your own. Yeah, I got family, but the house is full and they can't house me, so. Anyways, my rambling is whatever. Anyways, so right now, I got a job. I have a car. My insurance is due on the 14th. Hopefully, I'll have enough money to pay for that. And hopefully, enough money to also pay my phone bill, which is $60 a month. Yeah. The only protection other than having my car, I do own my own pistol, which is great and all, but when you're inside a close quarters, I could rupture my eardrums, blah blah blah. But let's start a challenge. 1 week homeless challenge. Now I know one guy already did this, but I'm starting to see how that this is a issue across the U.S. I live in Arizona, so everything's expensive. I don't get paid much. I'd like to get a living wage. Living wages are going up. Rent's going up. Food prices, gas prices, everything it has been going up quite a bit. If you take a look back in 2008, gas prices at all-time high were about $2 a gallon. Compare that today. Today, it maxes out at roughly $4 a gallon. And that's including your taxes, depending on your state. So, compared to all that, we need to start paying people living wages. That minimum wage should be living wage, so then people can actually, afford to live. Because I'm not able to live in a cozy bed. I had a bed. You wanna know what my bed is now? This. my car seat with all my shit in here. Yep. This is my entire car. I live in a fucking coupe. I'm a 6 foot tall motherfucker. So, we need to change this world. Yeah, I got lucky. I had a girlfriend. I had a place. I had everything I could possibly ever really need. And I screwed that up. Don't become like me. Set a goal. Reach that goal. Set a new one. Keep on going. But, like I said, it's roughly 9:41 p.m. and I am living in a car, and I got work in the morning, so I'm going to try my hardest and get back on my feet, and hopefully this experience forces me to grow as a person, as an individual, mentally, spiritually, and emotionally. And hopefully I will never have to do this again. Now, if I do this, I'm getting an RV. But, yeah. It sucks. It truly frickin' sucks. The good news is, I can go and take a shower, brush my teeth at my mom's house. That's the only thing I can do. That's the only sense of comfort I got. And after sweating in 93-degree weather and humidity is up the ass, you kind of feel for those comforts. I miss a bed. I really miss a bed right now. I didn't realize how much I've taken everything for granted. I'm sorry for my rambling and going off different topics, but everything I've done has came back and bit me in the ass. So I need to turn this off, or I'm not going to be able to start up my car. Actually, I might as well just start up my car now, just to keep the battery up and going. Get the AC rolling in here, get it cooled off. But, yeah. Do not be like me. Please. This ain't fun. Take care, everybody.